All right, all right, all right. All right, this is just a shampoo or carpet cleaning video. There's a lot of stains in the boys' carpet, a lot of slime. So I tried to get it out. What I should have done though was spot clean before shampooing to try to lift it, but I'm still satisfied with the results. I did use a cordless vacuum. If you have an industrial vacuum, I would suggest using that because it has more suction power. I had to go over the carpet like 2 to 3 times, but the cordless did what it needed to do, so it's okay. But y'all let me know what you think of this video. I'm going to stop talking. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram at Betty24_ for more cleaning videos. Follow me on YouTube at Let's Clean with Honeybee, HUNBEE. All right, I will see you guys at the end of the video. Bye. I'm back. So this is a finished look. I am satisfied with it. Probably in another month I would go over it and spot clean and get the stains out. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Bye.